In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Printify to Amazon so you can link your Amazon store and manage your print-on-demand products through Printify. To get started, log into your Printify account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the New Store drop-down menu. This is where you add and manage the sales channels connected to your Printify account. Open that drop-down, then choose Add a New Store. You'll now see the available platform options. Select Amazon to begin setting up the connection. On the next screen, click Continue, then enter your store name. This name helps you identify the Amazon store inside Printify, especially if you plan to connect more than one store or sales channel later. Quick side note, for more straightforward Printify tutorials, make sure you subscribe to Ecom Control. After entering the store name, click Continue again. You'll be asked to review the connection permissions, so check the confirmation box to acknowledge them. Then click Connect. Printify will now prompt you to sign in to your Amazon account. Log in with the Amazon account associated with the store you want to connect, and complete any authorization prompts Amazon displays. And that's it. You've successfully started connecting your Printify account to Amazon.